If you do that first, then you can carry on with this video. Hi guys, thanks for dropping in. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rick, and basically I've had another little delivery, and it's the heated rear seat. This little clip is going to be a quick install on the heated rear seat for the 2021 KTM Superventure S. You'd think after doing this how many times, I don't know that off the top of my head by now, but still gets me tongue twisted. So yeah, this is the bad boy. Now I'm going to have a dig around for where that cable is, where it's supposed to be plugged into. Hopefully it's a bit more obvious than the front seat, which I've shown in the other vid. But also in this pack I've got a switch that you have to drill a hole out. Well, you don't have to, I don't believe. I don't know. I'm saying that without actually checking yet. But I've got a switch. Whether or not I need to use it is another matter. But apparently it gets placed on the plastics on the right hand side of the bike, that little triangle bit just below the rider's seat. So I'm going to have a dig around, install it, and show you guys how it goes together. All right, cheers. Right, after digging around, I found that right at the back underneath here there's a black plastic plug that I need to get access to. That's it. It's got a cap on at the moment. When I take that cap off, I'll be able to plug the passenger seat into that. I just need to make it more accessible. Unfortunately, I need to start cutting cable ties because they're all strapped together and I can't shift it. Right, this comes with the heated seat, yeah, passenger seat. Yeah, okay. And on the right hand side of the bike, if you pop this off, you'll see a little circular template there. That needs to be cut out. Right, I'll just leave that there for the time being. And I've had a dig around after removing the cable ties, and I found this one here, which I believe connects to the controller for the seat. So there's got okay, so there's 3 prongs in there. If I take the cap off this, yeah, that's your 3 holes for the female, and that connects to that, and that goes in there. Okay, so there's just one other plug which I need to fish out. Again, as I said, it's this one here. It's currently got a cap on it, but I'll take that off once I get it freed. Right, so just to get started, I've put the control unit there, just fed the wire up through and connected it here. Right, I've positioned the connector for the rear heated seat here. Just take this end cap off. Okay, there it is. And put a nice cable tie back so it's all nice and neat and tidy. It's all, and the wiring for the temperature regulator I've run across here, like I say. Another cable tie, keep it nice and tidy. So I can put my toolkit back in. So that there and that here. So all I need to do now is drill a hole here and connect up the seat and install it via the menu. Right, I'm using a 30mm hole saw. Okay, and just gonna cut a hole out. Okay, so now we've got the hole. Just need to attach that bit to it. Right, I've had to detach this, take the back off, then feed that through there, like so. Then feed that round and over, and I'll position it correctly in a minute. Just so now I'll feed that back up through there. Right, I've got the controller here that the passenger can change the temperature. I think it's temperature. I've got to have a play with it yet, or it's either on or off, I don't know. But anyway, that's installed, and I've just got to plug the seat in here and then install it via the menu. Right. Nice one. Put that back. Job done. So looking pretty cool, eh? Right, that wasn't too bad. Didn't take too long at all. I'm probably going to put a bit of sealant around where I've put the switch, and possibly even some glue in addition to where the screw tightens up, just to make sure it doesn't move when the passengers turn in the switch. But it's looking good, as you can see. Yeah. Anyway, let's install it on the menu. Right, to install the heated passenger seat, click across once to the right, once up, then press the center button, and now we'll go down to heating. There you go. And I'll click select, and then I'll go down to pillion seat, and then I'll click across once to the right, and now it's installed. And then to go back, I'll just press the back button. As you can see, I've got both heats now, both seats heating. I'll keep coming out all the way to the back, front, and that icon there, see, I've got a new icon, the rear heated seat. Right, you'll be interested to know that you can't actually control the passenger's heated seat at all from the menu, apart from uninstall it. So, as you can see, the rear heated seat isn't on at the moment, but if I click this into position up, I now have it on the low setting. If I put it back, it is now off. And if I point it down, it's now on the high setting. Yeah. Again, turn it off, and it's off. there is absolutely nothing on the menu that allows me to control the passenger's heated seat. The only thing I can control is whether or not I choose to install it or not. See, obviously I'm going to keep it installed, but it's good to know that I've now got both heated seat icons, and only the passenger can control the rear heated seat. So, well guys, I hope that little clip helped. I'll probably give it a test run. Well, I can't test it out because I can't sit on the seat, but I'll let the engine run for a bit when the weather's a bit nicer and I can take my bike out the garage. But I don't see it working any different than my rider's heated seat, which works fine. So it is plug and play. Just got to find out where the cables are, plug them in, and install it on the menu, and just play about with the position of the switch to ensure it's the most practical position, so you know when it's pointing for low setting, and you know when it's pointing to off, and you know when it's pointing to the high setting. It did catch me out because it was already on high or low, I don't know, but the heated seat was already set on the switch to on, and I couldn't figure out how I could turn it off, thinking I could turn it off on the menu as the controller, as the rider, but I don't have any control in that whatsoever. You literally have to turn the switch to turn off the heated seat or to turn it on. So hope that little clip helped. It was interesting to me because I've never done this before, but it's been fun fishing out where the wires are and finding what goes where. So if it saves you 10 minutes, job's a good one. All right, take it easy.